Hi, okay, today I'm going to try to show you how I tune a ukulele. The ukulele has 4 strings and they are G, C, E, and A. G, C, E, A. And I remember that as goats can eat apples, goats can eat artichokes, goats can eat asparagus, goats can eat anything, GCEA. So when you pick up your ukulele, or if it's really new, you may find that it sounds like this or something different completely. And so some people might want to turn their C string first if they know where C is on the piano, or if you have a tuning app on your phone, which I do, and it will actually listen to you if you don't have perfect pitch, which I do not. You can play a C note. And then you can go da, and then you turn your C string, which is the second one from your nose, Notice that when I turn the peg that goes to the string, I always also pluck with my thumb at the same time, because if I just crank away, I have no idea if it's getting higher or lower or what. So all I have to do to know is listen and see if I turn, see it got lower, got higher. And I can remember that note was about like this, C, and that sounds a lot lower than C. So I'm gonna keep singing it or listening to it. I can play it on my little app here. See, I was a little bit sharp. Do. And you can also use an electronic tuner, but it's a good idea to use some type of a tone to tune to, so your ear can know, is it getting higher or lower, and have some sense of what it should be. So we did our C string. It goes, goats can eat anything, dum, 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 dum. That's the beginning of the Star Wars song. That's a fifth in music. Dum, dum. Oh, whoa, that's off. So my G, C, D, E, F, G, dum, dum. Oops. So that's got to get higher. Dum. So that's my G string. And when I look at my tuner, I had a little sharp. So I usually just use the tuner for fine tuning if I need to. That's the beginning of My Girl. I got sunshine. Anyway, okay, so we did our G, goats can eat. So our next string is an E. And if I played an E here on my tuner, E, ooh. Now I'm going to test my string, and is it ooh? No. What does it sound like? It sounds higher. So that means I'm going to have to turn my string lower. How do I know if I'm making it lower or higher? Because I'm going to pluck and turn at the same time. Oh, that got higher. No, I didn't want it higher. I wanted it lower, right? Goats can eat. Goats can eat. And I'm checking that. Hey, I was pretty good. I was right on the money there. I can congratulate myself. I got my E right. So it's G, C, E. And our last note is A. Goats can eat anything. So, and I'm going to play that. Hear what it sounds like. Then I'm going to listen to my A string. But that note was, so I need to make this one sound higher. It needs to sound like, so remember, always pluck your string, hear whether it's getting higher or lower. And I remember, because I kind of can remember, that note was about for an A. So now I'm going to turn this until it goes. Oh, it's not ooh yet. Is it ooh? No, it's still lower. And now I'm going to check on my tuner. And that happens to be right on. I did it again. Darn, I'm good. I don't always get it right the first try. And then you can check your tuning. You've got a G, G, C, E, A. G, C, E, A. And you know, if we sang this scale like do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. Our C is here. Do and re, mi, and E. E. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la. So it's actually not in the same order as you sing this scale, because ukulele has a high G here. But otherwise, it starts on a C, C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C, which are not on there, but we fret to make our B and C. B, C. So C, D, E, F, G, A. So the notes on a ukulele are actually C, E, G, A, if you said them in the order of how high they are. But the way they're on the ukulele, it's G, C, E, A. So I hope that helps. It's really important to have a pitch reference so you can listen to it on your phone, or if you have a piano, your C is going to be middle C that you tune to, or G4, which is the G above middle C if you start on your G. So you need to find something to listen to.